Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter. Let me do that again. Alright, that's better. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I'm here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, happy Friday to everybody watching today's video. I'm here to talk about keeping your head in the game, staying disciplined, staying focused. Alright? This is gonna be some stock market talk. Thank you to anybody that's new to the channel, any returning supporter, everybody, of course, like I love to tell y'all, everybody in the SR community, in the NoFap community, y'all still get a shout out as well. Word. Now, last night, I honestly couldn't sleep that much because I kept thinking about the stock market. And this is a very, very positive outlook that you can have for yourself and you can have for other people if they're willing to at least try. I think as human beings, the biggest thing that holds us back sometimes is it's too good. I would rather just be comfortable where I'm at, right? It's gonna take too long for me to reach this financial goal, whatever excuses people may use. But I feel like if you really, really want something and you really see it in your mind first before it's manifested in the 3D, you're gonna go after it. Alright? And me, I've watched a lot of different traders on YouTube. A lot of them put out great content, very, very great content. And there's a difference between you watch the YouTube videos and that's your way of learning, or you actually really take notes on what they're saying, depending on who it is, right? You try the journey for yourself and you use your actual money, not demo trading. Because you don't get the same emotional let's go, you don't get that same oomph if you demo trading, if you're using fake money. You have to see the good in this journey, bro. You have to see the good in the long term. When I mean stay disciplined, for example, today is Friday. The mindset shift that you're supposed to have is, I get paid for my job today. I'm gonna make sure I put some money into some assets. I'm gonna make sure I put some money into something that's gonna help me make more money. Not, it's Friday, I wanna go to the club, I wanna go party with my friends, I wanna go do whatever. Because if that's not helping you reach your goal, if that makes you happy, that makes you happy. That's your life. But if that's not helping you reach your financial goal, and then if your friends don't care about investing or owning assets or owning real estate in the stock market, then how is that gonna benefit you? I'm not telling you, don't hang out with your friends. No, I'm not telling you that. What I'm telling you is put investing, make it a priority. Make it I gotta do this, point blank period. Because it's too much opportunity, bro. And every day that passes by that you don't invest, that is a day you cannot get back. Who can rewind time? Who, universe? Let me know. Dude, nobody. Alright? Another thing too that I want to talk about in today's video is how I learned how the market moves as far as looking at the S&P 500, right? So I will show you guys how the S&P 500 moved this week. The market hasn't opened yet. Prior to me making this video, the market's opened up at 9:30. So you'll see how the S&P moved the past 5 days, excluding today. You'll see how the how the Nasdaq moved and how the Dow moved as well. So you have the Nasdaq 100, you have the Dow 30, and then you have the S&P 500. And you gotta remember, bro, like the markets is a percentage game. All right, it's a percentage game. So the S&P 500 right now is at $5,256. Okay, S&P 500 is the top 500 companies in the U.S. stock market. Okay, so that is, it's up $49.50. Pay attention to these numbers. Okay, you see 5,256. It may be like common sense, but some people really be like, nah, I don't get it. So if the S&P goes under 5,256, let's just say it goes to 5,200. That means that the S&P or the market overall is taking a little bit of a pullback. Okay? Now you may invest into individual companies. Some companies may be on a bull run even when the market is taking a pullback, but I'm talking about the overall market. So you want to pay attention to the numbers. Okay? 5,200, that is a pullback. 5,100, that is a pullback. 5,000, that is a pullback. Okay? 5,300, 5,350, 5,400, that is a bull run. It's a numbers game. Alright? The Dow Jones is at 39,000. This is what I took a picture of too. $39,630. Okay? It's up $636 in a week, which is 1.63%. And for the S&P 500, it was only up 0.96%, so close to 1%. The Dow Jones is up $636 in a week. That's amazing. That's amazing. Then we got the Nasdaq 100. So also too, my apologies. S&P 500, Dow Jones, and the Nasdaq 100 are different sectors. Okay, if you guys want to, if y'all didn't know that. So the Nasdaq 100 is at $18,288.50. That is, it's up 0.43%. 0.43%. So I should have wrote this a little bit clearer, my bad. Up $93. So on the week, the markets has been doing good this week. Alright? So every Friday, when I make a video for y'all, I'm gonna show you guys how the chart looks at the end of the week, so that y'all get a better perception, y'all get a better visualization. Okay? This is how the week started, this is how it ended. This is how it started, this is how it ended. So you get to see how the market is trending. Is it trending in the uptrend? Is it trending in the downtrend? Is it consolidating? It's different. I know like everybody learns things differently. You'll really learn though through personal experience. Alright? So you have to be willing to play the game. You have to be willing to try. You have to be willing to make the short-term sacrifices for the long-term gains. You have to see the bigger picture. Once again, there is no cap that you can make in the stock market. Okay? The stock market is a mandatory necessity for everyone. Because, like I will keep telling y'all, you need something that is working for you. Alright? And we are all on this journey of, listen, man, I'm trying to get rich. That's just what it is. And there's nothing wrong with that. Like, what are you supposed to do? Like, not want for yourself? Like, we're not about to do that. Absolutely not. I think we live on a planet where people really want you to settle and they want you to just go for the bare minimum. Or like, they will dislike you for really trying something that they feel they can't do, but you could do it. You just scared. You don't have no belief in yourself. You don't got that inner dog. You ain't got that inner fire. You got to keep that inner fire lit. You have to have that inner dog. You have to be willing to take the chance. What the fuck? Excuse my language. My apologies, y'all. But what the F? Why be scared to make progression? It's called change. It's called getting uncomfortable. Unlearning and relearning. Unprogramming yourself from all of the negative beliefs, all of the negative stuff that you've heard. Unlearn that. Because the stock market is going to show you the truth. It's going to show you the truth about yourself. It's going to show you the truth about this economy. It's going to show you the truth about the world, bro. Today's going to be a great day. It's Friday. Once again, happy Friday to everybody watching today's video. I see so much for myself. And I am in love with the process. And I'm just here to help the people and express to y'all the importance, bro. Whether you're a trader, whether you're a long-term investor, whether you are whatever, take this journey serious and be in it for the long term. Alright? I'm about to get me a solid workout in for today and then go out there and do my Uber Eats. It's Friday. Yes, sir. If y'all enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up so that we get on the algorithm and we reach more people. And if you guys want to help me out, subscribe to the channel and leave your comments below so that I'm able to interact with you guys. And I'll be back at it with some more videos, man. It's your boy Terrence Carter.